All right, so let's quickly solve this question. This is a very simple question. They said a trader bought 1 3 oranges, okay, at this price and sold it at this price. So the profit he's making is going to be 42 minus 30, which will give you 12 for each of them. So, and he bought this type of this number of oranges. Since they are all in base 4, his profit, his total profit, this is what he makes for one. So his total profit should not be 12 times that 1 3 2 oranges he bought. They are all in base 4. So let us multiply this in base 4. I'm going to have 1 3 2 times 1 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2, 3, 1. So if we add 4, you bring down 4. Okay, this is 4. Do we supposed to have 4? 4 will give you, okay, let's try to convert to it. 4, instead of writing 4, I say 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 remainder 0. So I write the remainder and carry the 1 here. 1 plus this is 1 plus this is 7. 7 plus this is 9. So if I do 9, 4 divided by this will give me 2 remainder 1. So I have 1, carry the remainder 2. Is there anything like 1 0 0 1? Option C. Okay, oh, we have other ones. So I have I carry 2 here. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 will give you 7. So if I have 7, 4 divide will give you 1 remainder 3. So I have 3, carry that 1 here. So I have 2. So 2 3 1 0. Option C is very, very correct.